What's up, my friends out there in YouTube land? What's going on, guys? So, coming up in June is VAM 21, Virginia Motor Meet. And I know a lot of guys have been talking about it lately, and unfortunately, I cannot attend this year. Due to vacation restrictions at work, I am not able to go. And I'm just kind of curious if anybody in the southeastern Pennsylvania area, you know, Jersey, Delaware, Maryland, whatever, would be interested in doing an informal kind of meetup, whether it be just meeting up just to meet the different motovloggers that are in the areas. I know I've you know, been mentioning back and forth to a couple different motovloggers in my area about getting together, meeting up. We haven't had, you know, anything in concrete yet, but you know, we had discussed, since we were so close to meeting up. But I'm just curious if you know, if we could get a group together to do maybe, you know, like I said, an informal meetup. You know, not anything that's, you know, set in stone, not anything that's real organized. You know, whether it be, like I said, just to meet up with people, you know, have coffee, go on a ride, meet up, go on a ride, have lunch, you know, anything like that. So I'm just wondering what the feedback would be on that. So let me know what you guys think about that. I think it'd be pretty fun to actually meet people, meet other motovloggers face to face, instead of, you know, just watching them on the YouTube. So this is just gonna be a real quick video, so let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you want to talk about it with me, DM me on Instagram, goofy_bastard1. If you don't follow me on Instagram already, hit me up, DM me, and if it be something you're interested in, yeah, let me know, and maybe we can make something happen. Alright, guys, so if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, yada yada yada, you know the drill. Bugs on my, that motherfucker in the smart, there shouldn't be bugs on my helmet. So that motherfucker inside or outside? Man, always with the red lights. Well, at least I'll have open air in front of me here. Alright, guys, so anyway, give me your thoughts and ideas. Alright, until next time, my friends, stay safe, love one another, peace.